What is up, guys? Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files to another computer from one computer. So first, you need to head over to Google Drive and then log in with your Google Drive account. And after that, you just simply need to create a new folder. Let's say I have created this demo test folder. I'll click on create, or I will just simply hit enter. And after that, when the folder has been created, you have the option to share it. Click on the share option. And after that, a pop-up window will appear. From here. You can just change the general access to anyone with the link. And then you can add people, groups, or calendar events. Let's say I want to send the large files to this email, which is on the another PC. I'll just simply select it and then click on send. And then the folder will be shared to that particular ID, which is in the other computer. And I'll just show you when I'll just open my ID. As you can see, this was the folder demo test, which I just created and shared it here on my another account. And this is how you can send large files to another computer via one computer. In the folders, you can just simply enter all the files and then you can just directly share the folder and then the other person will be able to access and edit that folder. So this is how you can send large files to another computer. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.